Withdrawing money from Yahoo Mail to a bank account involves a few straightforward steps. Follow this guide to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Access your Yahoo Mail account. Log into your Yahoo Mail account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your bank account for verification purposes. Step 2. Locate the payment or money transfer option. Once logged in, look for any payment or money transfer options available within Yahoo Mail. This may be found in the settings or under a specific tab related to financial transactions. Step 3. Enter withdrawal details. Select the option to withdraw funds and enter the required details, including the amount you wish to transfer and your bank account information. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid delays. Step 4. Confirm the transaction. Review the details of your withdrawal request carefully. Confirm that everything is correct before submitting the transaction. You may need to verify your identity through a code sent to your email or phone. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After submitting your withdrawal request, check your email for a confirmation message from Yahoo Mail. This will typically include details about the transaction and an estimated time for the funds to appear in your bank account. Once you have completed these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. Always keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your transaction.